perfectly golden toast every single time. No more burnt edges, no more uneven browning, just breakfast perfection. But here's the thing, not all toasters are created equal. Some will leave you frustrated, while others, they'll change the way you think about breakfast forever. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best toasters in 2025. Number 1. Zwilling Infinigy-Cool Touch 4-Slice Toaster. The Zwilling Infinigy-Cool Touch earned top honors in our best 4-slice toaster tests. With 4 wide slots that can accommodate hearty bread or bagels, you'd be hard-pressed to find something the Zwilling can't handle. There are 7 doneness settings, allowing for a wide variety of preferences. No matter what we toasted, it came out evenly done, with a nicely crispy exterior and no scorched hot spots. There's an extra lift feature that allows the toast to be raised safely above the heating unit, and in testing, it was hard to ignore its eye-catching matte black finish. Despite its extra-large size, this attractive toaster could be left on the counter without detracting from the decor. Dimensions: 11.3 by 12.2 by 8.1 inches, weight 8.38 pounds, functions: 7 browning levels, defrost function, reheat function, bagel function, cancel function. Number 2. Revolution Insta-Glo R180 Toaster. The first ever touchscreen toaster, the Revolution Insta-Glo R180 uses smart technology that adjusts to whatever you've popped in the slots. It's faster than conventional toasters. During testing, we noted that toasting on level 4 produced perfectly done toast almost faster than the time it took to retrieve our serving plate and butter dish. It's a consistent performer, too. We detected no difference in doneness, even after 4 consecutive rounds of toasting. Like all smart technology, this one has helpful maintenance features. In testing, we were alerted that the crumb tray was full and needed to be cleaned. The display panel is entirely digitized, all accessed through a touchscreen. When not in use, it displays either a digital or analog clock, a handy feature we appreciate. It's easy to dial in the settings for your perfect piece of toast, or bagel, waffle, etc., and we noted that this would be a smart buy for families with picky eaters. Dimensions: 6 by 11.5 by 8.33 inches, weight 6.6 pounds, functions: 7 browning levels, bagel function, waffle function, English muffin function, toaster pastry function, reheat function, defrost function. Number 3. Smeg 2-Slice Toaster. There's no denying the visual appeal of this toaster. With a retro design, the Smeg 2-Slice Toaster would be right at home on your favorite Instagram influencer's countertop. There are over a dozen finishes to choose from, including matte pastel options and glossy metals. We had no problem navigating doneness levels during testing. Instead of buttons, browning is adjusted with a dial. The control panel is simple and intuitive to use. We particularly liked the extra-large cancel button, which immediately released the toast upon pressing. As far as performance, this was a reliable, consistent contender in our tests. The 4 to 5 doneness range was ideal for moderately brown toast. We noted that oblong slices of bread stuck out of the top slightly and needed to be rotated midway through. However, traditional sandwich-style bread wasn't an issue. The colorful powder-coated finish was easy to clean, and the slide-out crumb tray could handle a lot. On average, we only needed to empty it every other week. While we noted this may not be the highest-performing toaster out there, it's by no means substandard. If aesthetics matter to you, the Smeg gets points for its visual appeal. Dimensions: 7.75 by 12.25 by 7.75 inches, weight 5.4 pounds, functions: 6 browning settings, reheat function, defrost function, bagel function, cancel function. Number 4. All-Clad 2-Slice Digital Toaster. The All-Clad 2-Slice Stainless Steel Toaster makes good use of a digital display. The doneness level is selected with a dial, and you can monitor the time to completion with a countdown clock. This was one of our favorite features, and we also liked the beep alert that sounded with 3 seconds to go. There's a more time button that adds 25 seconds to your cycle and can be pressed at any time during the toasting process. The All-Clad was one of the most consistent toasters we tested. 12 slices of bread toasted on the first setting came out perfectly, even once the toaster was warmed up after multiple rounds. As far as aesthetics go, this glossy stainless steel toaster has a classic look and isn't too bulky. We noted that the button placement, on one of the long sides, allowed it to be scooched back against the wall, which freed up counter space. The slots are adequately roomy, and although we did struggle to fit homemade bread in, it can easily accommodate bagels. Dimensions: 5.29 by 12.91 by 8.98 inches. Weight: 4.89 pounds. Functions: 5 browning levels, bagel function, reheat function, defrost function, more time function, cancel function. Number 5. Breville Die-Cast Smart Toast. The Breville 2-Slice Smart Toaster is a compact toaster that lets you feel in control. One-touch automation lets you monitor your toast's progress using lift and look, and add extra time using a bit more to toast your favorite bread types to perfection. Innovative features: lift and look and a bit more allow you to check on your toast or add a little extra time without interrupting the toasting cycle. The bagel function ensures even heat for even toasting and unfreeze your favorites using defrost. 2-slice capacity. The toaster features a 2-slice capacity and has wider slots to meet the demands of larger artisanal bread, thick bagels, and dense pastries. Variable browning control. The Breville Smart Toaster 2-Slice lets you toast to your ideal brownness level and monitor your progress with the LED indicator so you know how much longer the toasting cycle has left to run. So, which of these top 5 toasters are you adding to your kitchen? Whether it's the budget-friendly pick or the ultimate luxury model, all the links to buy are waiting for you in the description below.